In this video, we are going to brainstorm the best Christmas gift ideas in 2022. Hi everyone, my name is Marie and this is the Caterpillar Cross Stitch channel. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about cross-stitching and a huge variety of tutorials, so remember to hit like, subscribe and the notification bell so that you can create along with us. Remember that this week is also the announcement of the huge celebration giveaway of 30,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so please keep on watching to make sure you don't miss the announcement on who the lucky winner is. This video is all about Christmas gift ideas because sometimes it's actually pretty hard to pick the right Christmas gift for a cross-stitcher. We'll talk about pros and cons of different items and I'll be really looking forward to hearing your tips on best Christmas cross-stitch gift from you in the comment section as well. Let's talk about the obvious first, a kit. A good kit, whether it's Caterpillar Dimensions or any other kit on the market, should include plenty of floss, good quality fabric, easy to read pattern, and a needle of an appropriate size to the fabric count. The stitcher should only need scissors and a hoop if using it to start stitching on it. If you are not a stitcher and are unsure, always check online reviews to make sure the kit is of a good quality. When planning to buy a kit for someone, ask yourself, are you sure they will like it? And are you sure they don't have it already? If you do decide to buy a kit, we have loads on our website, so don't hesitate and check it out. Let's talk about one of my personal favorites next. A voucher. It is a great way to give a gift and still leave the freedom of choice on the stitcher. Caterpillar Cross Stitch does have a voucher for purchase. This is a print-at-home download from our website you can insert in a Christmas card and it comes in various values. The trouble with a voucher is that it can be a bit impersonal, so it works really well when it's dressed up a bit and well presented with accessories. So let's create a beautiful gift full of accessories goodies to go with the voucher. Starting with a project bag. I personally don't know a stitcher who wouldn't like a lovely project bag to keep in everything they need for a project. I'll just talk you through 3 different types here. First, project bag with 2 pockets and a vinyl front. This one is one of ours and it's really handy because the second pocket keeps your sharp scissors or any other accessories away from your main stitching, and the vinyl front allows you to see what project is in the bag. The second type of project bag is a classic vinyl front project bag that can fit an A4 sized pattern. I'd recommend browsing Etsy to find an independent bag maker in your area to get one of these. And lastly, our recent release is a project bag that can be personalized by stitching on the Ada band. Whether you give it stitched already or let the stitcher in your life decide how to finish it themselves, it is a great item to include in your Christmas gift. You can add some great stocking fillers inside the project bag. For example, scissors. These are our scissors that come with a sharp tip protector, but if you don't have an upper budget limit, you can always get the Rolls-Royce of needlework scissors by a Japanese brand Kohana. Partly handmade, these would certainly be a gift to remember. Our needle minders are one of the best on the market with a very strong magnet, if I do say so myself, and are a great gift for any stitcher. Especially stitchers who are terrified of losing a needle, like cat and dog owners like me or households with small children. There are so many different designs available on our website that there will be something for everyone. To give your gift a Christmassy feel, you can always add these acrylic thread organizers that make it easier to organize project floss. To complete the look, you can add a hoop, a set of bobbins, a keychain, or my personal favorites, a set of handmade floss drops that give your gift that extra special touch. We have recently released a video on how to make these pretty DIY floss drops, so I am linking it here. Last but not least, if you wanted to go the extra mile, you could also include a cross-stitching book for any stitchers and bookworms like me out there. For beginners, I can recommend this Jump into Cross-Stitch book by Sally that walks beginners through cross-stitch step by step and helps them gain confidence along the way. There are 6 different patterns included in the book. The second book I will show you is the legendary Cross-Stitcher's Bible by Jane Greenough. This book explains a huge variety of specialty stitches like hardanger or silk ribbon stitching, tips and tricks, and just like Bible, it does contain a lot of information. That's why I personally would recommend this to be a gift for stitchers past the absolute beginner stage. The aesthetics of the patterns included is not modern and reminds us a bit of the olden days, so it might perhaps not be to everyone's taste. This brings me again to my 2 recommendations from the very beginning. Try to understand the other person's visual taste. Are they into traditional, primitive style of stitching, or are they a fan of modern, minimalist designs? And very importantly, do they already have any of the items you are planning to give them? When you're done choosing which items are going to be part of the Christmas gift, wrap it, add your Christmas card with a voucher, and your Christmas gift is ready to make some stitcher very happy. So, I hope this little Christmas cross-stitch gift guide helped you a little bit to brainstorm as to what to include in a gift for your significant other or your stitchy friend. I would love to hear any tips from you who are watching. What is a great thing to include in a stitchy gift and what isn't? So that maybe if any husbands or significant others are watching this video wondering what to give to their stitchy partner, can go in the comment section and get even more tips on what to include in their Christmas gift. All of the Caterpillar items shown in this video are available on our website www.caterpillarcrossstitch.com, and any Amazon items we've shown are linked in the description below. Remember to also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for even more stitch inspiration, and also sign up to our newsletter VIP Stitch Club so that you'll be the first one to know whenever there's a new release or any amazing discounts, just like the birthday week that we've just had. You can also join more than 15,000 stitchers on our Facebook group and share any tips and tricks or what you got for Christmas with them. And it is my absolute pleasure to announce that the winner of the big YouTube giveaway celebration is Stitching Enthusiasts, aka Anna, and here is her winning comment. Many congratulations from all of us at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, Anna. We have commented on your winning comment to let you know how to claim the prize. And that is truly it from us at Caterpillar Cross Stitch this week. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week.